Hi, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and I'm here with DRMTLGY Moisturizing Hand Cream. This is thick and intense and creamy, but in the best way possible. Why I love it is that it doesn't leave my hands feeling sticky or like with the film afterwards. Even after I wash my hands, after I've applied this, I still feel that moisture has gotten deep into my skin and that it's really working. Also, it's the perfect size for travel. It's under the 3 ounces for going onto the airplane. It's easy to just like put it in my purse and just have it ready at all times, especially in the winter, but really all times of the year. It's good for all skin types as well. I tend to be on the dry side, and my husband, he has oilier hands, but even for him, it doesn't make his hands greasy. So it's really a versatile product that I would definitely recommend. So if you haven't gotten it yet, pick it up, but that's just my point of view.